Natasha, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good. I have a package for you.
This.
So whether it be an envelope, big box, a fridge, your favorite big screen TV.
This.
Beautiful Jamaica. When it rains, it pours.
And this.
It's for you. Nice. Is it cool up here?
Yes, it is.
Whatever size your box is, the answer is Island-wide Express. We're doing whatever it takes to provide you with flexible shipping options. And for the past 3 years, we have delivered anything you like. Shop online from anywhere in the world to Jamaica.
We handle everything from start to finish. We ensure a seamless experience for valid customers. We handle all the custom paperwork, ensuring a smooth clearance process. Your items is swiftly delivered to the address in Jamaica, so you could enjoy your purchase without any worries.
We're confident, we're reliable, we're ready to mobilize. Contact us and enjoy speed and convenience. Ship quick, ship safe. Island-wide Express.